Most people get this wrong. They assume any dropshipping tool will work seamlessly with any website platform. But AutoDS and Wix have unique dynamics you need to know before committing. AutoDS is a dropshipping automation tool that helps you manage product listings, pricing, and orders from suppliers like AliExpress. Wix, on the other hand, is a website builder that allows you to create online stores with minimal technical skills. Using them together sounds simple, but there are some caveats. When I tested it, did integration between AutoDS and Wix worked, but it's not as smooth as Shopify. You can import products, track inventory, and automate pricing updates, but certain features like automated order fulfillment require manual setup. Wix also limits some advanced dropshipping functionalities compared to more dedicated e-commerce platforms. On the positive side, the combination is great for beginners or small stores. Wix makes designing a professional-looking store easy, and AutoDS handles the tedious task of updating listings and monitoring suppliers. Pricing is reasonable, with AutoDS offering tiered plans depending on the number of products, and Wix plans are flexible for growing stores. The downside, if your goal is scale, you may run into limitations with Wix automation capabilities. For larger stores, Shopify might be a better fit because it integrates more seamlessly with dropshipping apps and offers robust reporting and analytics. So, is it worth using? If you're just starting out, want an easy-to-build store, and don't mind some manual work, AutoDS with Wix is a solid choice. For scaling aggressively or managing hundreds of SKUs, you'll want to consider alternatives. In conclusion, the surprising truth is that beginners often overcomplicate dropshipping setups. AutoDS and Wix provide a low-friction path to get started, but scaling requires careful planning. Subscribe for more e-commerce tool reviews and tips that help you build smarter online stores.